If you are struggling with website issues and need to troubleshoot your server-side scripts, finding your PHP error logs is the absolute first step. In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to find the Hostinger PHP error log location so you can identify and fix those pesky coding issues quickly. This method is incredibly useful for developers and site owners who want to resolve crashing plugins or blank screens without waiting for support tickets. If this guide saves you some time today, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more technical tutorials. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log into your Hostinger account. Once you are on the main dashboard, navigate to the Websites tab and enter the specific dashboard for the site you are working on. From here, look at the sidebar and find the Advanced section. Click on that to expand the menu and select PHP Configuration. Once that page loads, you'll see a few tabs at the top. Click on the PHP Options tab to see all your server configuration settings. You are looking for a setting labeled log_errors. Make sure the toggle or checkbox for log errors is enabled. If it was already on, leave it, but if it was off, switching it on is exactly what will trigger the server to start recording those diagnostic messages. Once you have toggled this, do not forget to click the Save button at the bottom of the page to apply your changes to the environment. Now, here is where you actually find the log files. Once you have enabled error logging, the system will start generating a file named error_log. You can find this file inside your file manager. Go to the dashboard, open the file manager, and look inside the public_HTML folder. The error_log file will appear right there in the root directory. You can double-click this file to view the contents, which will list every PHP error that has occurred on your server, including the time it happened and the specific script causing the issue. Keep in mind that as you fix your errors, this file can grow, so you might want to clear it periodically to keep it manageable. And that is it. You now know exactly how to activate and locate your error logs on Hostinger to debug your site effectively. If this tutorial helped you resolve your errors, please be sure to show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.